Depressing the accelerator pedal activates a sensor to measure the degree of depression. The sensor converts the pedal's physical motion into a corresponding electrical voltage signal. This voltage signal represents the driver's intended acceleration and serves as the initial input for the EV's control system. The electronic control unit, ECU, receives voltage signals from the pedal sensor. The ECU processes the pedal sensor signal in conjunction with real-time data, including vehicle speed, driving mode, battery status, and traction conditions. The ECU consults a pre-programmed torque map to determine the precise torque required for the driver's desired acceleration. The inverter converts direct current, DC, power from the battery into alternating current, AC, in a three-phase configuration. This three-phase current is fed to the electric motor, which generates the necessary torque to turn the wheels. The entire power conversion and torque generation process occurs within milliseconds, providing instant and responsive acceleration.